Edith!
Yeah?
Toilet's broke!
What?
Who should we call?
How about DIY Let's Try to fix the toilet?
They've got a website, right? And a YouTube channel?
Yeah, DIYLet'sTry.com.
Hey, DIY Let's Try audience. When you're sitting here and you're all done, this thing's gotta flush, or it's bad news. Today, we're gonna tackle the toilet. Found it!
Oh my goodness, that piece is completely broken.
This'll be easy.
Oh look, there's 2 clips.
Don't break the clips.
No, this isn't a coffee maker.
Hey, these videos are supposed to be short. Hurry up.
Alright, we're unclipped. Edith, what's wrong? It's not coming off.
I think you have to turn it the other way. It's a reverse thread.
How would you know that?
I'm exactly Edith.
You were
I
so
just
smart.
know these things.
It's reverse thread. Oh look.
And
Now
comes
it's out.
Just like that.
Now, the unboxing of the part. Looks the same, except it's chrome. This one's a little different design, but look at this. Comes right out. Back in, clips on. Let's put it in.
And just like that, we have flush. But we don't have fill. Ah, the chain with the float was stuck. We may have to try a few more times just to make sure it's okay.
Okay, on this style of float, it's gonna stay in the up position until this is pulled. So for this new style lever, you've got to adjust your chain to where when it's flushed, it actually pulls the float up. And then when you let it go, it goes all the way down and it starts. If the chain doesn't pull this up, the float stays up here and it doesn't fill. So make sure to adjust that and then adjust this chain and it just moves on the links to where this is at rest, but not a lot of slack. So for a different lever arm, you'll need to adjust both chain lengths, both for the float and for the flapper valve.